good education is one which helps every child find the life's purpose, the life's passion, and helps them achieve it.
I'm excited about the fact that we get to show around new parents who are coming to see Inventure for the first time, and they get to see our school, like how we see it, and most of the fun things we do here.
I really hope that they see that the variety that the school offers, because I think that there are some facilities in Inventure that is very hard to find in other schools like Makerspace. This school is really special, and we hope that parents get to see that through our eyes.
I'm quite excited to actually give the tours because I love our Inventure campus, and I really want to show this amazing campus we have to all the parents.
I can see the children very well-rounded, grounded and confident. So that is the first impression if you ask me.
I noticed a very big campus and friendly teachers, I think very friendly staff.
Hospitality, definitely.
I think I was very surprised with students actually engaging with the parents. I think that was very good. It looks like a B school.
Wow, I'm very impressed with the two programs. One is the Change Maker and the Pod. I'm really impressed with both of them. It brings out that inner expression of a child. So I think that's something really is fascinating to see.
I'm looking for a place where a kid is not stressed, still grows to the potential. This is what I always feel is some kids are so slow, some are fast. So if my kid is slow, treat him that way, her that way. If he or she is fast, treat him differently. So school should be adaptive, education should be adaptive. So I think that's my personal interest. I want that kind of place.
I would tell them to try and explore everything, because there's a lot out there in the world these days, and sometimes we get confined by what we try to tell ourselves that we should be, but we never tell ourselves what we can be.
I think we have a great school, we have a great program, and more than that, we're a school that cares for each child and wants all our kids to, be the best that they can be. So I think there's an opportunity to showcase that.